Hello everyone, this is Tom from Mystical Arts. In today's very short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the gaps from the footage. As you can see, I have a lot of gaps in literally just 2 clicks, and it's super easy and convenient when you have tons of gaps and you just want to close them all and make the video complete. It's gonna make your life much easier and help you edit the videos much faster. So yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, I have many clips. It's just basically the same clip cut up into different pieces for the sake of the presentation, and there's many gaps between them. We have to grab every single clip and pull it to the other clip. It would take me a minute. What you can do instead is just select all of the clips together, go into sequence, and then click close gap, and boom, like just like this, we close all the gaps in literally just 2 clicks with our mouse. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Check out the social media description below, and I hope you have a wonderful day.